What's up, guys? Welcome to the next video on C++. Alright, today as we discussed in the previous videos, we said that we're going to check this hex values binary and decimal, and I repeat again, as a C++ programmers, you guys must have a solid base into the assembly language, and you guys should know these hex values, binary or decimal, because you guys might encounter these errors sometime coming from operating system, and it tells you this errors inside this hexadecimal values. Alright, so today we show you guys how to check and how to familiarize yourself with these hex values, which is base 16 and binary, and how we're going to check inside the system. We check here that is 0x00 and 0x01, 0x02, which is 2, and we're going to see how we're going to convert this into the decimal, into the numbers. All right, so let's begin. We go with the cout, and you guys, if you guys, that's a good thing if you want to put a comment. This program outputs hexadecimal, hex as decimal. All right, so we go to cout. Okay, the value of 0x00, say 0x00, and we put an equal sign here, and okay, because what we see here, the first one is 0x00, the second one is 0x01. all right, so 0x00, and we put a 0x00, and we put an handle. all right, so let's check. Okay, so the value of 0x00 is 0, as according to our slide. It's 0x00 is 0, is this one, so this two is matching. Okay, and as you guys see that the process ended at 0, so the this output from C is telling us the same thing as 0x00 here. It means it's a 0, so that's execution time. all right, so we go there and copy again, and we put it back underneath 0x01, so 0x01, and we're gonna go and run again. Sorry, that's 0x01, and we see 0x01 here. all right, so as you guys see that the value of 0x01 is 1, so that's the value of 0x0001. and if you test this all the way here, so we put this 0x05. okay, so the next one we go and check. And 0.5, and we're going to put a 0.5 here. That's our hex value. I'll have to close my okay, so here as you guys can see, I'm going to make it a bit bigger. That's 0x05, the value is 5. all right, so in the next one we are going to check number 10, 0x0a, 0x0a, 0x0a. all right, and you guys can see that's 10. Do you see it? That's a 10. That's a decimal 10 here, and that's our 10. So we go all the way here at the end, we see that the 15 is 0x0f. Our 0x0e, that's 14. So we check that 0x0e and 0x0e and e here, and we close the terminal. Alright, so as you guys can see, that's decimal value 14 is showing up. And the last one, if you guys want to check, that's the last one, is f, and it's f here again, and that's the last one. You will see that 0x0f is 15. So when you guys see that hex value here 0x00, now you guys know that it means it's 0. That's a hex value for 0. Alright, so we go and play around. What if we add 0x0 f, instead of one f we put another f, 0ff. See what's happening with the 0f0ff. Okay, so as you guys can see, the value of 0x0ff is 255. Alright, so we put a line here because that's our own we play around with these ones. Okay, so we get rid of this. Okay, so we put it. What if we put a 0f f f a, say ab, 0ffab, 0ffab. See what's inside the computer, what it represents. Alright, so the value of 0x0ffab is 65,451. That's the value of ffab. So once you guys did 65451, you guys automatically assume that's 0x0ffab. That's how we interpret this, and that's how the value is stored in the computer, because we are looking, we are checking under the hood what's happening under the computer, because we as a human can't read this 0x0ffab. This is the code, and only computer understand. We only know, say, values like 100,000, 2,000, 3,000, 1 million, 10 million, whatever, but computers, they look at another way. They look at it as a hexadecimal. So that's how the values are. So if you go and check again, say we are putting this 00f, say we put a e f. Say what's the value of 0 a e f. Okay, let's see. Alright, so the value of 0x0AAEF is 44,783 from what I can see here on the computer screen, 44783. So that's the value of 0xAEEF. So I think by now you guys have a good idea of how this hexadecimal work inside the computer. Okay, so I'm gonna put another one. We're gonna see that how we're gonna go the other way around, and we see our how we're gonna manipulate the hexadecimal to decimal. So let's see. All right, so we check that the value of 12, so value of 15, we see the value of 15 in hex. All right, so I'm gonna put it down here. Sorry, So I'm going to get one of these bad guys from here, and I'm going to put it here. Alright, so value of say value of 15, value of 15. Alright, so because we're going to check 15 of hex, we're going to do the other way around, and we're going to put a hex. So, and we put a value because we are checking the value of 15. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the value of 15 is F. That's what it says here. The value of 15 is F. So that's where it is, F here. So the value of 15, we done this the other way around, is F here. Okay, so if we put a 14, see the value of 14 is E. That's what it says here, and we check, that's E. The N1 is giving us the N1. Alright, so we go and check 27. We see what's the value of 27. Twenty-seven. Alright, so the value of 27 says is 1B. That's the value of 27. Okay, so now we are going to push the computer a little bit forward. So we want to check what's the value of 27 is 1000 in hex. We put a 1000. Okay, the value of 1000 is 3E8. That's it says giving us, that's the value of 1000 is 3E8. If you want to see what's inside the computer, and that's it, because we checked from 0 all the way to 15, plus we've done our own, this one's our own experiment, so we want to see what's under the hood, and we've done the other way around. So we want to check the value so that you guys can see the value of hexadecimal here, and this is the value of decimal, and if you want to see what's inside the hexadecimal inside there under the hood. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. In the next videos we go and explore all these data types, fundamental data types. We're gonna int, double, float, and we see the precisions, and we're gonna see all this cool stuff in the next video. Alright, so till next video, see you, bye.